Is your Model 3 screen black? Don't panic. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps. A black screen means the central 15-inch LCD isn't displaying anything. This is often caused by software glitches, hardware issues with the media control unit, MCU, or problems with the 12-volt battery. Because the screen controls essential functions, it's a critical issue to address. Before anything else, try a hard reset. This forces the MCU to reboot and often fixes temporary software freezes. To perform a hard reset, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously. While holding, tap anywhere on the black screen with your finger. Continue holding the scroll wheels until the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This usually takes 10 to 15 seconds. This method resolves 75% of black screen issues, according to NEDSA data. A weak or faulty 12-volt battery can prevent the screen from initializing. The MCU relies on this auxiliary battery for power. If the hard reset doesn't work, check the 12-volt battery's voltage. Ideally, it should be around 12.6 volts when the car is off. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. Signs of a weak battery include slow engine crank or dim lights. If significantly lower, consider jump-starting the car or replacing the 12-volt battery. Battery issues are more common in older Model 3s. Sometimes, a recent software update can cause screen problems on the Tesla Model 3. These over-the-air updates are designed to improve features, but they can occasionally introduce bugs that affect the touchscreen display. If the black screen issue began immediately after installing an update, it's worth investigating further. Check Tesla's official website or community forums, like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors, for reports of similar problems with that specific software version. In some cases, you can try rolling back to the previous software version. This requires contacting Tesla support, who can guide you through the process or perform it remotely. Be aware that rolling back may temporarily disable some newer features. Tesla has made significant improvements with their V12 software updates, which include enhanced diagnostics for screen-related issues. These updates have been successful in reducing black screen problems by approximately 30% since their release in mid-2024, according to Tesla's service reports. If software and battery checks fail, the problem may be hardware-related. This could include loose connections, which can interrupt power flow to the touchscreen, capacitor issues in the MCU that cause electrical instability, or overheating that damages components. Pre-2021 models are more prone to MCU failures due to older thermal management. Tesla service centers now use AI-assisted diagnostics to pinpoint these issues faster, reducing repair times by 40%. Tesla introduced the Screen Health Check feature in the Tesla app in 2025. This remote diagnostic tool allows Model 3 owners to check their vehicle's touchscreen health without visiting a service center. To use the feature, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. The app connects to your vehicle remotely through Tesla's servers. Navigate to the Vehicle Controls section in the app. This is where you can access various diagnostic and control features for your Model 3. Select the Screen Health Check option to run the diagnostics. The app will perform remote tests on your vehicle's touchscreen system. The Screen Health Check can identify potential issues with the media control unit, power supply problems, or software glitches. It provides specific recommendations, such as performing a hard reset or scheduling a service appointment. This feature has become a standard troubleshooting tool for Model 3 owners, helping to resolve many screen issues remotely and reduce the need for in-person service visits. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Tesla service. Describe the issue in detail and mention any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Tesla's 2024 recall response showed that quick service center access often resolves issues within hours. Be aware that MCU replacements can be costly, averaging around $1,200. To prevent black screen issues in your Model 3, regularly update the software through OTA updates. Also, avoid exposing the vehicle to extreme temperatures for long periods, as this can cause hardware stress. Tesla is moving towards software-based solutions, with over-the-air updates now fixing 85% of screen issues. Future models will feature more durable OLED screens with better thermal management. They will also use modular microcontrollers for simpler repairs. By 2030, Elon Musk predicts artificial intelligence will enable self-healing technology, drastically reducing screen failures.